differential equations, objective point of view concepts. See, already in IPE point of view, we discussed total concepts on the differential equations. We see definition of the differential equations and order and degree of the differential equations. What is the order? What is the degree? Right? And also in this chapter we totally discuss about the two concepts. Those are curve is given, that curve is we are converting into differential equations. Second one is differential equation. First order, first degree differential equation is given, that we are converting into original equation or original curve. Right? There are two concepts. Right? For the solving the differential equations, we using the some methods. Those are variable separable method, homogeneous method, non-homogeneous method, linear differential equations, and Bernoulli's equations. We are using some methods for solving the differential equations. Right? Some more formulas. Suppose curve is like this, we are getting the differential equations like this. See, some formulas on the related to curve is given, then we are getting differential equation. Curve is like this: y equal to a1 into e power alpha 1x plus a2 into e power alpha 2x. Suppose curve is like this, then we are getting differential equation d square y by dx square minus of alpha 1 plus alpha 2 into dy by dx plus alpha 1 into alpha 2 y equal to 0. Suppose curve is y equal to e power alpha x into a1x plus a2, where a1 comma a2 are arbitrary constants. Then we are getting the differential equation like this: d square y by dx square minus 2 alpha into dy by dx plus alpha square y equal to 0. Suppose curve is y equal to e power alpha x into a1 cos beta x plus a2 into sin beta x. Here a1 comma a2 are arbitrary constants. Then we get the differential equation like this: d square y by dx square minus 2 alpha into dy by dx plus alpha square plus beta square into y equal to 0. Suppose curve is like this: y equal to a1 into x power m plus b2 into x power n, where a1 comma a2 are arbitrary constants. Then we get the differential equation x square into d square y by dx square minus of m plus n minus 1 into x into dy by dx plus mny equal to 0. Suppose curve is like this: y equal to a1 into e power alpha 1x plus a2 into e power alpha 2x plus a3 into e power alpha 3x. Here a1 comma a2 comma a3 are arbitrary constants. For removing the arbitrary constants, we get the differential equation d cube y by dx cube minus of alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 into d square y by dx square plus alpha 1 into alpha 2 plus alpha 2 into alpha 3 plus alpha 3 into alpha 1 into dy by dx minus of alpha 1 into alpha 2 into alpha 3 y equal to 0. See, for removing the arbitrary constants, here there are three arbitrary constants is there. That's why we are derivating three times. Here highest order derivative is 3. Right? That's why we get the d cube y by dx cube in the differential equation. Next one, suppose equation is like this: y equal to e power alpha x into ax square plus bx plus c. Here a comma b comma c are arbitrary constants. Here also three arbitrary constants is there. That's why for the given equation we are derivating three times. Then we get the differential equation d cube y by dx cube minus 3 alpha into d square y by dx square plus 3 alpha square into dy by dx minus alpha cube into y equal to 0. Suppose equation is y equal to a into cos of alpha x plus b. Here a comma b are arbitrary constants. Two arbitrary constants is there, that's why we are derivating two times. Then we get the differential equation like this: d square y by dx square plus alpha square into y equal to 0. How this one is getting? You all see in IPE point. Suppose equation is y equal to a into sine of alpha x plus b. Here a comma b are arbitrary constants. Here there are two arbitrary constants. We are taking two times derivative. Then we get the differential equation is d square y by dx square plus alpha square y equal to 0. Given equation is x square by a square plus y square by a square plus k equal to 1. This is ellipse equation. Here there is only one arbitrary constant, that is k. Only one arbitrary constant, that is k. That's why we are taking only one time derivative. Then we get the equation x square minus a square into dy by dx equal to xy. Suppose equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to alpha square. Right? This is circle equation. Here h comma k are the arbitrary constants. We know that h comma k is the center of the circle. Right? That is, then we get the here two arbitrary constants is there. That's why we're taking two times derivative. Then we get the differential equation like this: 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole cube equal to alpha square into d square y by dx square whole cube. Like that, suppose some particular curves is given, then we are getting the differential equations. See, here equation is given, differential equation is given, then the solution of the given differential equation is, suppose see some direct differential equations like this, then we get the solution also like that. The solution of x into dy plus y into dx equal to 0. X into dy plus y into dx equal to 0. Right? This is a differential equation. Then solution of the differential equation is xy equal to c. Xy equal to c. See, the solution of the equation y dx minus x dy by y square. Y dx minus x dy by y square equal to 0. Then solving the differential equation, we get the solution is x by y equal to c, like this. Suppose equation is like this: x into dy minus y into dx by x square equal to 0. Suppose given differential equation is x into dy minus y into dx by x square equal to 0. Then solving the differential equation, then we get the solution is y by x equal to c. Next one, suppose equation is like this: x into dy minus y into dx by x square plus y square equal to 0. Then we get the solution is tan inverse of y by x equal to c. The solution of the equation y into dx minus x into dy by x square plus y square equal to 0. Y into dx minus x into dy by x square plus y square equal to 0. Then the solution of the given differential equation is tan inverse of y by x equal to c. See, suppose the equation is like this: x into dy plus y into dx by xy. Right? X into dy plus y into dx by xy equal to 0. Given differential equation is like this. Then we get the solution is log of xy equal to c. The equation is x into dy minus y into dx by xy equal to 0. X into dy minus y into dx by xy equal to 0. Then the solution of the differential equation is log of y by x equal to c. Log of y by x equal to c. Suppose equation is like this: y into dx minus x into dy by xy. Y into dx minus x into dy by xy equal to 0. then the solution is log of x by y equal to c. See, given differential equation is like this: y into e power x into dx minus e power x into dy by y square equal to 0. Y into e power x into dx minus e power x into dy by y square equal to 0. Then we get the solution is e power x by y equal to c. Suppose given differential equation is like this: x into e power y into dy minus e power y into dx by x square equal to 0. X into e power y into dy minus e power y into dx by x square equal to 0. Then the solution of the given differential equation is e power y by x equal to c. Right? Suppose the equation is like this: x into dx plus y into dy by x square plus y square equal to 0. X into dx plus y into dy by x square plus y square equal to 0. Then the solution of the differential equation is log of square root of x square plus y square equal to c. See some previous years mains problems from 2019 onwards to 2000. See, before given the exams, previous exams, see some questions on the differential equations. Suppose equation is given problem is like this: given that the slope of the tangent to a curve y equal to y of x at any point x comma y is 2y by x square. If the curve passes through the center of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0, then its equation is, right, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options is given, right? See, the slope of the tangent of a curve is given, that is 2y by x square. That curve is passing through the center of the circle. The curve is passing through the center of the circle. Find the equation of that curve, right? See solution. We know that slope of the tangent at px comma y, that is slope of the tangent that is represented by dy by dx equal to at the point x comma y is, that is 2y by x square. 2y by x square. dy by dx equal to 2y by x square, right? Then solution, right? Clearly this is a variable separable method, separating the y terms and x terms, that is dy by y equal to 2 into dx by x square, right? This is solving by using variable separable method. This is solving by using variable separable method, integrating on both sides. Then we get integral dy by y equal to 2 into integral dx by x square. We know that integral 1 by y, that equal to log of mod y, that is base c, right? That is 2 into integration of minus 1 by x square, that is minus 1 by x. Some integral constant is plus c. This is the curve we required, right? This curve is passes through, if the curve passes through the center of the circle, right? Therefore this is equation number 1, right? Given circle is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. This is the circle is given, right? We know that center of the circle is minus g comma minus f, that equal to 1 comma 1. That is the center. This center is passes through the curve, right? Therefore 1 comma 1 is passes through equation 1. Substitute 1 comma 1 in equation 1. Then we get log y, that is log of, here y is 1, Therefore log 1 equal to minus 2 by x also 1 plus c. Therefore log 1 is 0, minus 2 left side, then we get c equal to plus 2. C equal to plus 2. Substitute in equation 1, then we get from 1, that is log y base c equal to minus 2 by x plus 2. Right, take LCM, that is log y, log mod y base c equal to minus 2 plus 2x by x. Then separating the terms, that is x into log mod y base c equal to, take 2 is the common, then we get x minus 1. Then we get x minus 1. Therefore, right, from the options, see here, x into log mod y base c equal to 2 into x minus 1. Right, therefore option C. Okay, just simple one. Given slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx at the point x comma y is 2y by x square. Then separating the x terms and y terms. Clearly this is solving by variable separable method, then integrating on both sides. Then we get the equation of the curve. This equation of the curve is passing through the circle, center of the circle. Therefore center of the circle is 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 substitute in equation 1, then we get the arbitrary constant c. Arbitrary constant or parameter, then we get the c equal to 2. Right, then c value substituted in equation 1, then solving this we get the answer. See next one. The solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square with y of 1 equal to 1 is, first 1, 2, 3, 4 options. This is also given in 2019, right, one of the paper, right. See here, solution is, see, given differential equation is x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. We know that for solving the differential equations we using some methods, right? Those are variable separable method, second one is homogeneous method, third one is non-homogeneous method, fourth one is linear differential equations, and fifth one is Bernoulli's equations, right? He is not mentioned anything, just given differential equations. How to solve this one? See, just dividing with x on both sides, then we get dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to x square by x, that is x. Clearly, right, clearly this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Clearly this is in the form of p of x dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Here p of x and q of x are functions in x. Here p of x equal to 2 by x and q of x equal to x. P of x equal to 2 by x and q of x equal to x. First to find out the integrating factor if, that equal to e power integral 2 by x dx, that is e power 2 into integral 1 by x dx, that is e power 2 log x, that equal to e power log x square base c. We know that logarithmic formula e power log x base c equal to x, then we get the if value is x square, right? This is the differential equation in y. This is the linear differential equation in y. That's why solution is y into integrating factor equal to integral q of x into integrating factor dx, right? Here y into integrating factor is x square equal to integral q of x is x into integral factor is x square dx, right? That is y into x square equal to integral x cube dx. Therefore, y into x square equal to integral x cube is x power 4 by 4 plus c. Right? This is the solution of the given differential equations. Right? He is asking like this: y of 1 equal to 1. Y of 1. Here x equal to 1, x equal to 1 and y also 1. Suppose y of x equal to x. Right? Therefore, here x is 1, y also 1. Therefore, here substitute in the place of equation x and y. Then we get 1 into 1 whole square plus 1 power 4 by equal to 1 power 4 by 4 plus c. That equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to c. That is 1 minus 1 by 4 is c equal to 3 by 4. C equal to 3 by 4. Take this is equation 1. Therefore, from 1 y into x square equal to x power 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Then just simplify, take x square right side, then y equal to x power 4 by 4x square plus 3 by 4x square. Right? In the options, all we are getting y and so on. Therefore, y equal to x square by 4 plus 3 by 4 into x square. Right? Clearly, this is the first option. Right? Therefore, option 1. Option A. Right? Like that, we are solving the linear differential equations. See, once again, given differential equation is this one. Clearly, this is a linear differential equation in y. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Here p of x equal to 2 by x and q of x equal to x. For solving the linear differential equation, first find out the integrating factor. That is e power integral p of x into dx. Here p of x equal to 2 by x. That is 2 into 1 by x. That is equal to 2 log x. That equal to, we take 2 numerator, that is log x square. We know the formula, e power log x base c equal to x, that equal to x square. Then solution is y into integrating factor equal to integral q of x into integrating factor dx. That is y into integrating factor is x square, integral q of x is x into x square dx. That is x cube dx. Right? We know the integration x cube is x power 4 by 4 plus constant c. Right? This is equation 1. In given, we are find out the y of 1 equal to 1. Here x equal to 1 and y also 1. Substitute x and y in equation 1. Then we get c equal to 3 by 4. From 1, we get the solution. See next one. If y equal to y of x is the solution of the differential equation, dy by dx equal to tan x minus y into secant square x. For x belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, such that y of 0 equal to 0, then y of minus pi by 4 is equal to, right? This is also given one of the previous papers, 2019, right? See here, given differential equation is dy by dx equal to tan x minus y into secant square x. Then after the condition is y of 0 equal to 0, then find the equation of y of minus pi by 4. Solution. Dy by dx equal to tan x minus y into secant square x. We are separating x terms and y terms. That is not possible. This is homogeneous? No. Non-homogeneous? No. Check whether this is linear or not. That is dy by dx equal to multiply with secant square x, that is tan x into secant square x minus y into secant square x. Then take left side, that is dy by dx plus y into secant square x equal to tan x into secant square x. Right? This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Right, here p of x equal to secant square x and q of x equal to tan x into secant square x. Tan x into secant square x. First find out the integrating factor, that is integrating factor if equal to e power integral p of x into dx, that is e power integral secant square x dx. We know that integral secant square x is tan x, e power tan x. Right? Then the solution is, right, this is linear differential equation in y. That's why y into integrating factor, that is e power tan x equal to integral q of x, that is tan x into secant square x dx, secant square x into e power tan x dx, e power tan x dx. Right, okay. How to solve this one? Put tan x equal to t. Put tan x equal to t. Then we get secant square x dx equal to dt. Secant square x into dx equal to dt. That is y into e power t equal to integral. That is secant square x into dx equal to t. That is e power t into t dt. That is y into e power t equal to e power t into t minus 1 plus c. We know that integral e power t into t. By using by parts, we get the e power t into t minus 1, that is y into e power t, that is e power t is tan x equal to e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c. Okay, we are find out the y of minus pi by 4. Find out the y of minus pi by 4. That equal to, first given y of 0 equal to 0. Given y of 0 equal to 0. Given function is y equal to y of x, right? Therefore, here x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Substitute here y into e power tan 0 is 0, e power 0 equal to 1 equal to, right? Here also y into 0, right? 0 into something, 0 into 1, e power 0, that equal to e power 0 into 0 minus 1 plus c. Here 0, e power 0 is 1. Then we take 1 left side minus 1. Then we get c equal to 1. C equal to 1. Substitute here c equal to 1. This is equation number 1. From 1, y into e power tan x equal to e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus 1. Okay. Right. We are find out the y of minus pi by 4. Find out the y of minus pi by 4. Right. Y of minus pi by 4. Here x is minus pi by 4 and also y also pi by 4. Y of x, that is here x equal to y of x equal to y. Y of x equal to y, that is minus pi by 4. Right. Therefore, that is we take tan y of minus pi by 4 into e power tan x. Tan minus pi by 4 is e power minus pi by 4. Tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1 equal to, here tan minus pi by 4 also, tan minus pi by 4 is minus 1 into tan minus pi by 4. That is also minus 1 plus 1. Right? We get the y of minus tan pi by 4. Then we take y value here. We want only y. Therefore, y equal to e power minus 1. Here tan of minus pi by 4 is minus pi minus 1. Here tan of minus pi by 4 is minus 1. Then tan of minus pi by 4 is minus 1 plus 1. Okay. That is e power minus 1. We take right side. That is e power minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1 by e power minus 1. Then separating we get, this solution like this, that equal to y equal to, here e power minus 1 is cancelled, that is minus 2 plus 1 by e power minus 1, that is y equal to minus 2 plus e, that is the given solution, right? Y equal to minus 2 plus e, minus 2 plus e, therefore option D, minus 2 plus e, option D, right? See once again, given differential equation is dy by dx equal to tan x minus y into secant square x, then multiply with secant square x, we get the linear differential equation in the form of y, right? Then first find out the integrating factor, then find the solution, right? Therefore solution is y into e power tan x equal to e power tan x into tan x minus 1 plus c, right? For find out the value of c, given question y of 0 equal to 0, y of 0 equal to 0, that is y of 0, that is 0 into e power 0, e power tan 0 and e power 0 is 1, here also e power tan 0 is 0, into tan 0 is 0 minus 1 plus c, here c equal to 1. Substitute in equation 1 in the place of c, we are find out the y of minus pi by 4, y of minus pi by 4, y of x value, that is y into e power tan of minus pi by 4 e power minus 1 equal to e power minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, that is e power minus 2 into plus 1 by e power minus 1. Then separating the e power minus 1, here e power minus 1 cancel, that is minus 2 plus 1 by e power minus 1. Take numerator, then we get minus 2 plus c.